Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of emulated on the application of NFL. We go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search about NFL app and you can click. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and you click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.